Riu aciari no mahomoke thutha wa ministry ya githomo gutheria ati arutwo othe aria maraingira thukuru-ini cia junior secondary matiririhaga marihi o mothe. Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria maumirira ma woyani wa Arutwo a Form 1, Minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu augite thirikari ni rutite kigina kia muigana wa ciringi birioni 9.6 iria ikuhuthika ta fithi ya arutwo aya mwaka uyu.
The amount which will be given per student is 15,000, almost equal to what is given to senior secondary, because senior secondary, they will continue getting the amount they are getting, which is 22,244.
Machogu ni arutite mukana kuri arugamiriri a thukuru aria mekunyitikana magiti aciari besha makiria otiga thukuru-ini iria cia gukomwo.
No school should charge any fees for grade 7 runners unless such schools are reporting wings. This is the constitutional requirement that the basic education, primary to secondary, is compulsory and free.
Ihinda-ini riu arutwo thiini wa ngathi ya junior secondary marikiraga nguo ciri na utiganu na aruna ao a thukuru cia muthingi. Aciari na arugamiriri a thukuru makiurio kuiguithaniria nguo iria arutwo marihumbaga.
Each and every board of management will be able to make a decision as to the color and the type of uniform that students will be required to put on, and of course, as is the case, parents will have to bear the responsibility of buying uniforms for their children.
No ona mbere ya arutwo aya kuhingura thukuru tariki 30 mweri uyu, riboti cia maumirira makigeranio gia KPSEA kiria mekire muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku ni kambiriria kurekererio rurenda-ini rwa kanju ya igeranio bururi-ini muthenya wa rucio.
Given that this is the first time such reports will be available for schools, I direct the Kenya National Examinations Council to collaborate with the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development and the Teacher Service Commission to assist the schools to properly interpret the reports for runners and the parents.
Na are o thiko inyatu itigarite mbere ya gutiriha mihango ya guthurima thukuru iria ciramukira arutwo aya, thukuru ngiri 13,221 ni ciahitukitio gukinyiria muthe wa gatano kiumia kihituku, na mbere tanyitwo kuongerereka mbere ya mihango eno kurikirira.
Schools that are not going to qualify are actually very, very few. And even those that don't qualify, we find either the enrollment of the students is below the required number. You get probably they are 10, they are 15, and it therefore makes a lot of meaning that we transfer them to the neighboring school where there will be enough facilities, teachers and the rest.
Mendekithia makiria no meguthi na mbere kuheanwo niguo kugacirithia githomo thiini wa ngathi ya junior secondary. Riri kamiti iri rathurima mogaruruku thiini wa sekta ya githomo ari hamwe na ukinyaniria wa mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC itanyitwo kuheana riboti nginyaniru mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.